Par, dana pa nagagawin ken? Oy! Oy, bunay ka mo!
Every day, I'd like to love you.
Okay, mga payabak, tsuging any undisclosed location. Somewhere kining Balibago. Kini kami kitikit usually para for our Saturday ride. Mag-ready na kami.
I'd like to love you, if I may.
Palub kami kini Clark, kini kaming usual mindala na ng Clark View. Ala na yung view actually. Pero papunta kay ngini kayang Bamban nating dalan kasi kayang Clark pa lubka kayang Bamban. Kita nga man manda sa Cobia. Ating kanong trail ka rin. So we're gonna get a bit muddy today. Let's go. Ayan, kaya bimila rin. So palub na kay Kenny Clark on Saturdays ampong Sundays may tagla Kenny Clark as bike days.
If I may.
So nakikinig banda the villages Kenny Clark. So far dakal na kaya kita mag-ride kasi pinit sa Ride Saturday. And syempre kini kaming designated bike lane. So most of the roads Kenny Clark today atin na lang designated bike lanes specifically for bicycles pong lightweight vehicles. Nung agit agent dati kitang talwi kong vlog aki kaya maluto yung t-shirt na ngayon nila niya may loko yung kay Shopee. Salamat Shopee!
I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, night and day, if I may.
One of the absolute joys of cycling is visiting places like this.
I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you.
Ay, lupa yung mayan yung bike ng Kevin ha, carbon yan, par? Carbon yan.
Naisipan mo itaas sa gaya na kaning bike?
May kagantihin bike.
Magating bike?
I'd like to love you. I'd like to love you. I'd like to love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may.
Miras na kikining kalbutan, bala mo ating store kaya niya yun. Ba't kailangan mo rin mag-register? Mag-register la. Solid para ka. Masaya mo ba?
Tayo ka na dyan.
I-tiktok may pa ano.
I'd like to love you. I'd like to love you.
So ining ating steps kay ni papunta kit ang mismong pool. So ay dito. Mumukit kayo ni Brad. Sige, mamukit ka. Sige. Yume?
Yes, adore you all the time. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, love you. If I may.
12 seconds later.
Par, dana par nagagawin ken? Oy! Oy, bulay na mo! Share me Arela. Share me Arela. Review me.
Sabay pa ako dyan.
Yan yung oras tese ako na. Pakanan ko lang. Gold eh. Hindi maganda kain dili. Data masas na buntok. Ay masas na buntok data. Data mo pakanan mo lang. Oh, labisa. Good. Very good. Sabi ng Jimmy Santos.
I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you night and day.
So ito sabihan dapin, kaya lugar ini talang signal, malaot kagay sibilisasyon, alang wifi obviously.
Kaya talaga niya din laning kain eh.
Wah, kiba marimlate ang danumay ita. Solid. Kiba 30 pesos mo na pa. 30 pesos mo. Wah, 30 pesos.
I like to love you, love you. I like to love you.
So ito na kay kening Ella's Eatery, kening San Vicente, kening Bamban. May ito ngayon karang popular pit stops, karang bikers. So we're i-culminate.
Sasaling ka, nandun. Sakli mo, ako pa.
I-culminate niya yung ride mi kening Ella's Eatery. Although we still have a ways to go. Kasi ukyatan miya pa si bahay itang kening ingdalan kening Sacobia. Pero magmerienda kaya pa sagli kening. It's currently 9:44 na, so medyo oras na. Pero mag-break kayo pa, carbo load, bahan natin kaming i-burn ka rin patse manula kem bike.
20 minutes later.
Alright, so pauli na kami, that's it for another bike adventure vlog. Mag-trek kami pa si Bayo, may muot kong bike pa si Bayo, but that happened. From Sacobia, this is Kevin with the local.
Kwento kayong yan eh. Ano minunang panahon, ano man batsa-batsa yan. Tingaos dagen, tansan. Kasi tingad doon giant. Magkailo. Ano nung kapagal? Ano mula soft drinks? Ano na soft drinks nung dagol ne? Bukla do kanyan den tansan. Ano? Den tansan man babo may nakabaglagay. Gwali. Apin de ta rin doon kay. May ganyan tansan. Kaya luwatan, may ganyan batsa-batsa. Na guys! Ay, kapagin ka sila.